Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Viewers, in this Delhi election, the New Delhi constituency was quite interesting. On one hand, we had former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal versus sons of two former Chief Ministers of Delhi. I'm talking about Sandeep Dixit, son of former Chief Minister Sheila Dixit, and also Parvesh Verma, son of former Chief Minister Sahib Singh Verma. Eventually, Parvesh Verma defeated Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of the national capital, and Times Now spoke to Parvesh Verma and his family about this big day, and here's what they told us.
देखिए, मुझे पूरा विश्वास था कि दिल्ली के लोग अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के झूठ को समझ चुके हैं और मैं सभी दिल्ली के लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। मेरे नई दिल्ली के मतदाताओं का बहुत बहुत हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं, धन्यवाद करता हूं। पार्टी के लाखों कार्यकर्ताओं का धन्यवाद करता हूं। उन्होंने जी जान से मेहनत करी और ये जीत का श्रेय अगर किसी को जाता है तो वो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को जाता है कि उनके ऊपर में विश्वास करके दिल्ली की जनता ने वोट किया है। हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय श्री जेपी नड्डा जी को जाता है कि उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करके कार्यकर्ताओं का मनोबल बढ़ाया है। हमारे गृह मंत्री
पॉलिटिकल फैमिली and I would say that they had the tryst with politics just now when their father contested election against Mr. Kejriwal. They have been campaigning with their father. This is Shivain and this is Sanidhi. Both are the kids to Miss Swati Verma and also Pravesh Verma. How is your experience this time? Your father has been called a giant killer, right? You must be very happy about that.
I think people are trying to draw a parallel between him and the David Goliath story. And I absolutely agree with it because people kept telling us that this is an impossible fight that you've decided to fight. But we had full confidence going in because we've been connected with people on the ground. And so they were the people who sort of, had built this confidence in us that don't worry, it's time for change and you're going to be the change for us.
Shivain just wanted to know, many in your family were in politics, majorly men. Are you also up for it? Do you like it? How was your experience this time?
I mean, I'm born into a political family, so I don't really have a choice as to what I like. I just have to go for campaigning. And I think it's really enlightening to actually work for the people, to actually know what problems are going on in their houses. And right now I'm only in 9th, so there's a really long way to go before I actually decide what to do. But I'm thinking of pursuing law, and
that's all. But do you think that this was a very tough fight? Because you must be having conversation at home about this particular campaign, about this particular election. We had seen previous election, and you also must have seen previous election. How is this election different from the previous one? Sanidhi, I would like you to answer that.
I mean, you've asked a twofold question, so I'll take the first one. I'll answer the first one. I think the conversations that we had were never about how tough this election is. It was always how tough the next 5 years are going to be. Again, as I told you, we had full confidence that going into this, we are winning this election. And so the conversations would often revolve around the fact that people don't have access to water, don't have access to electricity, and how can we ensure that the next 5 years we can, fulfill these promises. As for what differentiates this election, I would say that you can lie to a person once, you can lie to a person twice. Lying to a person thrice never works, and as we can see, it didn't work in Delhi either. The Delhi people, they are not people that will sort of, stay in this myth that you create, or this mirage that you create, that, oh, we're going to make your streets like London. If they don't see it in 10 years, then they're going to give you a response, and that's what's happened. He's won. My dad has won with a margin of 5,000, and I feel like the reason for that has been the lack of work, the false promises that Kejriwal ji has sort of, put forth in front of the Delhi people for the past 11 years, and the lack of sort of fulfilling those promises in the past 11 years.
Did your friends also speak about false promises of Mr. Kejriwal ever?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Making Delhi, London and Venice.
No, it's not even that. It is, when situations like during COVID, when their family was struggling with the death of a loved one and they were listening to him talk about the alcohol policy, or situations like that, that when they saw that my dad was running against Kejriwalji, they reached out and they were like, we're with you. Let us know when you need us, how you need us, and we will be there, because God knows that Delhi needs a change and God knows that BJP is the change that we need.
Thank you so much, both of you, for speaking to us and taking time out. I know this is a very hectic day also for you. I hope you had your lunch. And thank you and congratulations, both of you. This is Pragya.
So proud children there of BJP's Parvesh Verma, who has managed to defeat Aam Aadmi Party chief and former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, from the New Delhi constituency. With this, we will slip into a very, very short break again. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.